Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and hello, elves. Good evening. How art thou? It's always good to talk to my people, but today's video is going to be about my October Vellabox that I've received. Yes, remember I did a video on this previously. Candle subscription service, ring a bell? Yes, Vellabox. So I got my October box in and we're going to unbox it together and dive right in. But before we do that, let's take care of our normal housekeeping business. Elves, you know what time it is. Lipstick of the day, everyone. Lipstick of the day is from Juvia's Place. Yes, I decided to switch it up for a change. We were on a long streak with Max there. But lipstick of the day is from Juvia's Place. It's from their nudes collection. And this is the color Lady. This is the color Lady. And in all transparency, I do have a Juvia's Place gloss over it, Caramel Rose. All of this will be linked below in the description box. But yes, this is today's look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And of course, everything else will also be in the description box. Fragrance of the day, everyone. Fragrance of the day is, it's finally seasonally appropriate. The temperatures finally match the name of this perfume. And this is none other than by Replica Maison Margiela. This is the Autumn Vibes scent. Yes, I'm still rocking with my travel size, but you know what? It's with it being 40 degrees in the mornings now and being 50s in the evening. This smells a lot better than it did when I first tried it on in July when it was hot. So you know what? This is continuing to grow on me. Maison Margiela has like a friends and family sale I saw. So yeah, and then Sephora is also going to be having their sale on this perfume. So yeah. We might do some things during that time. So all right, everyone, without further ado, let's talk about this Vellabox some more. Again, it's an artisan candle subscription service. We like that. It features small businesses that are here in the US of A. So every month you get a different company. You get a write-up about the candle maker and what they're about. I enjoyed last month's box, so I'm excited to show you all this month's box. I do have the Vivere box, which is their top box or largest size box that they make. So that is the box I do have. And yeah, let's get right into it. Standard packaging. This is what it looks like. It's very neat and compact when you get it. I like that in the mail. All right, here. Let's see. It says, "You return like autumn and I fall every time. Fareway." So we have our lovely note when we first open the box. Okay, let's see what we have in here this time. Okay, again, we have a large candle and a small candle. I'm gonna unwrap the small candle first. This is from Beverly and Third Candle Co. Okay, and the title of this one is Happy Camper, and it's a soy candle. Check that out. Very, very tiny and adorable. Let's see here, standard notes. A single wick candle. Oh, this is very pumpkin-y. This is very pumpkin-y. This is very like pumpkin-y and pine. It's very pumpkin pine type of scent. Okay. This is giving me Halloween. I like that. This is very nice. It's like grown-up Halloween. It's the bougie Halloween dress-up party. That's what this is. Okay, I like Happy Camper. Right now we have our larger style of candle right here. It's fun to unbox with you all. And this is still from the company Beverly and Third Candle Co. And this candle is Toasted Pumpkin. So this is a standard size or 7 8 ounce single wick candle that we're used to. Okay. Yes, single wick, and let's give it a sniff. Ooh. Ooh. This is like a bourbon maple cinnamon glazed pumpkin. Okay, toasted pumpkin. Yeah, this is like gourmand pumpkin scent. Okay, this is nice. Okay, toasted pumpkin. Okay, these are artisan after all. These are very nice, and okay, they're giving me more upscale of a vibe. I like that. And my bonus, I got a packet of tea. This one also came in here. It's called Tea with Tay, traditional chai. Okay, this is nice. This is based out of Denver, Colorado, Tea with Tay. So that's cool. Okay. Now here's the card to give me the formal write-up about everything, which I do like, so I have more information to share with you all. So what's inside? We have toasted pumpkin. Again, that was this candle right here. Toasted pumpkin's official notes are pumpkin, nutmeg, cinnamon, and smoke. I told you to say some cinnamon in it. But that nutmeg note is what's giving me life. And the formal write-up is, it doesn't get much better than this blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and toasted pumpkin. Is it the nostalgia of coming home to the mouth-watering scent of fall treats baking in the oven? Perhaps this combination is just a perfect recipe for feelings of coziness and comfort. Isn't that just delightful? I mean, all the feels of fall and cuffing season are just all over me right now. Okay. Do I need to light this like right now? Okay, and then for the next one, remember this our small friend here, Happy Camper. The notes in Happy Camper are apple, caramel, raspberry, and cedar. Okay, this one is a little more fruity. Let me re-smell this. Okay, I can see the cedar and the caramel, but okay, the apple and the raspberry are throwing me off, so I'm gonna have to burn those to see those notes, but alas, let's get back into the card. What once was a dense canopy of leaves above is now sparse, allowing the sun's rays to peek through and warm up camp. The fallen leaves crunch under your feet, but those that are fresh cover the ground in a beautiful array of warm tones. A large snapping fire dances and a nearby stream trickles in the distance. To be one with nature is a very beautiful thing. And sing. It's like really nice and serene. I like this. Oh, and they also have information on the bonus, which was the tea with Tay that I got. This rich black tea is perfect for enjoying sophisticated tea blends of cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, and cloves while you're constantly on the move and hustling every day. Sometimes all you need is a warm cup of tea. That's really cute. Okay, and we have the information on the businesses. They're on the back. Very, very nice. So let's see here. We have Beverly and Third, which is the candle company. They are based out of Plainfield, Illinois. Oh, this is cool. That's nice. And then Tea with Tay is based out of course, Denver, Colorado. And it has all of their socials and other information on the back of the card, which I will share in the description box below because, hey, we love small businesses here on this channel. We're going to give them their shine and shout outs. We like. And that wraps up this unboxing of my October 2021 Vellabox. Elves, let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, I think this is great, especially as we're getting into holiday season time. It's time to start thinking about those gifts. What do we want to give people? And Vellaboxes make a very great gift because you can customize them and make them so nice, and you know where the candles are coming from. You're gonna get them. Yes, they ship on time. I haven't had any issues with shipping, so that's been very nice. And yeah, discount codes will be in the description box below because we love to save some money, especially in these times. So all right, until next time, elves, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.